Hello everybody, today I'm going to a park for my school assignment. Oh yeah, my sister is gonna come with me. Her name is Jolee.
Hello.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And give my sister a thumbs up.
We're here at the Parque Pantanal. Hey, look what I found. It's a flower. In Spanish you call it flor. Can you say flor? Good job. We're about to cross this bridge. A bridge is called Puente. Can you say it? Good job. Oh, there's a turtle. There's another turtle. I just saw 3 turtles. Can you say tortuga? Good job. Do you know what this says? Do not climb. No subirse. Can you say that? Say it with me. No subirse. I really wanted to get on there. And there, and there. So today we learned a lot of words. Number 1, parque. Can you say parque? Good job. That means park. Word number 2, puente. Can you say puente? Puente means bridge. Good job. Next word. Word number 3, tortuga. Can you say tortuga? Good job. Tortuga means turtle. Number 4, flor. Can you say flor? Como la flor. Yeah, flor means flower. Last but not least, no subirse. Can you say no subirse? Good job. No subirse means do not climb up. Don't break the law. Those are your words for today. Don't forget to practice these words every single day and subscribe to my channel and give me a like and everything. Go to Instagram and follow my sister, Shop by Jolee. Bye bye.
Adios.